Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, I tell una say secret is about to be exposed though. When I tell una say we never know anything when it dey happen for this matter. There are more things to what really happened in this May, Yul and Juju Ekwensu matter. There are more to it. We are just still beating round the bush. We dey dance round the bush. The gong of this matter, it never come aside. Juju Ekwensu don vex now. According to her, since 1999, now Juju Ekwensu dey tell us say, I want to talk, I want to talk. She don come let us know say the reason why she dey talk say she want to talk and she never talk is because grandpapa has always been begging her to keep her calm. Yay! We no know when they lie, they talk true. Anyway, we go bring the details. So this time around, she say, lie, yo. Only she no dey go down. She's not going down alone. So they use that, they set her up. According to Juju Ekwensu, when the court don't tell her say 100 million naira is 100 million naira, 10 kobo, chinkom no they come up for that money, she have to pay it. She is guilty of everything that they accuse her of. Everything when May Edochie talk about Juju Ekwensu coming into her marriage, destroying her marriage, being an intruder, they are all right. There are evidence to back them up. So the whole thing that she was accused of is 100, in short, 200 over 100% right. So that money, 10 kobo no they come out, Juju Ekwensu have to pay it. Juju Ekwensu now, according to her, she said, when May Edochie first of all sued her for 100 million naira, that the Pete Edochie and that grandpapa and the pikin, which is Yo, they promised her not to worry, that they will see to it. They told her that she's not going to pay 100 million naira, that they will cut it down and they will pay it for her. She said, I make her balance so they eat or her and apple soup. Relax her life, thinking that everything is in control. Now when they don't tell her say 100 million naira, Yo and the papa don't turn their back against her. Asking her telling her that where did she want them to get 100 million naira from? Wonder. Hey, wonder. Juju Ekwensu don't turn to wonderer. Hey. Juju Ekwensu don't provoke. She said no be only she go down. Now only one word now she talk. She say she's a messenger. She say she's a messenger. Say now use now they use her. Now they send her message. He say now they send her message. She say she go open mouth. She go open mouth for this whole story. She go bring everybody down with her. All of them go inside that kiri together. He say grandpapa and you better start looking for solution. Maybe now he make grandpapa go beg May Edochie. You say, what will you gain if they put them in kiri? What will you gain if they ask them, if they lock them up? She will gain a lot. She will gain justice. May Edochie will gain justice. As they get mind, they do a bad. She too will get mind, they lock them up. Eye for eye, aura for aura. Juju Ekwensu says she's not stopping at any time. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Thank you. So, my lovely fans, hey, this one that they call Wonder Shall Never End. So, according to the information, Juju Ekwensu says she know they close her mouth again. Say she won't open her mouth like parrots now. She won't release all the mega way they inside this matter. She say lie, she not close her mouth again. No. Say this thing, no be only she go down. Matter where they sit down, whole meeting, discuss. The thing come backfire. Everybody say, may she carry the cross. How will she be the one to carry the cross? How will she be the one to pay for the sins of everybody? Grandpapa, you don't know what did happen. You kuma, you don't know what they happen. We all know what happened. Abi, is there somebody that don't know what happened? You people should explain to her. If there is somebody that did not know what happened, all of them, they know what happened. So why will she be the one to carry the cross? Hey! Juju Ekwesu don't provoke. They say he challenge grandpapa, challenge you. Say they tell and say, where do you expect them to get 100 million? Juju Ekwesu say anywhere where they won't get them for, it is none of her business. Anywhere where they won't get them for, court say me she drop something. They don't even see 10 million bring up. They were telling her, ride on. Ekwesu ride on, yes. But now where they don't say, me she pay money, una they tell and say she's on her own. Juju Ekwesu say, grandpapa, no let her open your bumble. I don't know what Juju Ekwesu is always wanting to open a grandpapa bumble. Grandpapa, it's better you just come out and open the bumble for us, let's see. Than Juju Ekwesu come and raise it up and publicly disgrace it. So just raise it up now. As Juju Ekwesu just the panic now. Because right now, that 100 million naira, you people don't have it to pay. So just come out and just open the bumble, make we see. Instead of Juju Ekwesu to come and disgracefully open it up. Because she said she go open your bubble. Now grandpapa now he face for inside. I don't know why. Grandpapa now she just face. He said grandpapa must pay. Hey! He said grandpapa must pay this money. After all she gone through. Hey! After everything we all of una don't do to her. Una just abandon her like that. Say na lie. Say na lie. Say especially she said especially you. He said that they call you, know they pick up. You say you dey busy. He said that busy very soon you will busy with her inside Kirikiri. He said na 12 now go busy inside Kirikiri. He said everything. Juju Ekwesu say everything they did in the dark. He said they go bring her con light. Make them see the person where they go drag pass. Hey. Juju Ekwesu say na mission wo na send her na she do. Yo, grandpapa, which mission na send Juju Ekwesu? Abi na una put Juju Ekwesu for me Edochie marriage. My people, I tell una say this social media here now we go sit down. Everything go begin to expose. All the secrets go begin come aside. All they did in the dark will start coming out. Juju Ekwesu said all they did in the dark. He said all is going to come aside. He said, grandpapa, he give you warning. Oti gbaje ni o. For person like Juju Ekwesu to be saying he give grandpapa warning. Grandpapa, what is the connection? Begin to connect us into the connection so that we can help you to be reconnecting it. Because at this point now, Juju Ekwesu, we want you to open your mouth. Frankly speaking, we want you to open your mouth. Because you say me Edochie can never come out to tell us. Now you dey in the position to tell us, say, now you dey in the position to let us know that thing where they tell you make you do. You say now that they push you, now that they tell you make you go ahead. Everything where she they do, she said they agree on it. He said none of the family member is against her. He said we should forget social media propaganda. So those social media way that they do say no, Juju Ekwesu we don't want her. He said allow. She said behind closed door, he said everybody welcome her. So Juju Ekwesu abeg open the secret. At this point, because this one where they abandon you. You say now they give you go ahead. You say now they say make you continue. You say now they marry you. You say now they do many things with you. You have good relationship behind closed door. But why did they now abandon you? That is my question. Not that I'm supporting them. You know, Aproko people know they support. But there are always questions where Aproko must still ask. These old people are fully in support with you. They send you message. They send you, may you go destroy me Edochie marriage. But why are they not supporting you now? Why are they turning their back against you? Abandoning you to go and end up in Kirikiri. Because if you not pay, you go Kirikiri. And apart from that, the court case where you see dey your neck. That one, they say if they judge you, you must go Kirikiri. So why are these people not helping you? Why did they not give you a good lawyer to stand by you? They give you charge and bail lawyer. Now they give you go court. Go judge this kind of matter. Hey, wonder shall never end, though, my people. So why are they not supporting you? Why with grandpapa and his son decided to turn their back against you at this moment? Juju Ekwesu say that's why she said they use them. She said now use now grandpapa and you use them. He said they all planned evil against her. He said this is the evil work of all of them. He said now they want to abandon her. Juju Ekwensu say na lie. She said by the time she talk, he said both grandpapa, both you, he said all of them, they go lock them up. He said all of them, they'll lock them up. He said grandpapa, you know. He said you know. Hey, do you guys believe Juju Ekwensu? Or this is depression, frustration, high BP, BPP, DPD, DPC? Because all sickness now, they worry. All kind of sickness you can imagine, they worry Juju Ekwensu. Since when they tell us they go pay 100 million naira, Juju Ekwensu not dey okay again. She not dey okay. So all these things when she dey talk, she need to say it out and with evidence. Because if you do something with this kind of people like this and you don't have evidence to back it up, they will end up calling you a mad person. You see at this point now, even as Juju Ekwensu, they make noise, they threaten. They say since yesterday night they threaten grandpapa. Oh. If you see the kind calls where they make to grandpapa no they shake. You see that this man is right. This man never knew anything. Or Juju Ekwensu, if he be say it happen and Juju Ekwensu no get evidence to back up herself, and they know that she don't have evidence, so they will just be laughing at her. Hey, see matter wey they want to do me Edochie bad, it don't change the problem for them. See people where they gather, where they won't fight me Edochie. See Anna, you see her. That's why I tell you that me Edochie have the grace. She have the grace that anything that comes for her go backfire to those people. Make una come here tori o. Juju Ekwensu do the boy. 100 million naira can frustrate person, can make somebody go gaga. Juju Ekwensu do go gaga. They say if you see her since yesterday, come reach as they talk to her, so Juju Ekwensu never close eye. Juju Ekwensu eyes never close. Her eyes open for ground. She dey shout on top of her voice. She dey threaten grandpapa and yo. No sleep for the wicked. This one they call no sleep for the wicked. 3 of them no want to sleep again. Now madness won't console. Madness. Juju Ekwensu, you know say when person not sleep, he look haggard, he look rough, he look like he's going kilometers. That's what Juju Ekwensu your pain now. Now so they shout. Hey, this cannot happen. Oh, this cannot happen. I've said it cannot happen. I will not go alone. I'm not going alone. She go just they talk, they shout. Juju Ekwensu, you will not go alone. But come out and talk now. This you will not go alone, you will not go alone with the talk for his ass. It will not help you. Just come out and tell us everything. Don't worry. We'll support you for this one. Come expose yourself. Give us. Tell us everything. We are here to listen. We are here to listen. That your ranking for his house not go work. You need to come out on social media. Expose everything. And until you do that, you become restless. You know, say you dey restless now. You say I say you dey restless. You need to come out and tell us. Because the kind things where Juju Ekwensu they talk are so shocking. Saying that their hands are not clean. I don't know whether that's a confession. No. The spirit of Kambelechuku, the way they deal with these people, not be small. He said their hands not clean. No. He said all of their hands not clean. All of them put hand into bad things. All of them chop wetin they're not supposed to chop. They drink wetin they're not supposed to drink. What you now eat and drink? Which forbidden thing una eat and drink? You might be. Hey! Oh, Guinea. Now, person una eat and drink, I be waiting. Things are happening, oh, my people. I tell una say the day where these people go confess, social media self go borrow leg run leave us. Say I beg, don't do. I don't tire for now. Social media go borrow leg run. Because what is all this? What are we not hearing and heading? She say wetin they eat, wetin they drink. Say 3 of them. She won't talk another shocking one. She said the society ring, she go throw it out. To deal with them. So 3 of them are in one society. Which society is that? Physical, spiritual, demonic? What kind of society? Hey, my people, she said she go remove the ring from the society which bound them together, and she will deal with them seriously. And then she will face the consequences. She don't care. She don't care what will happen, but she will make sure she deal with them because they broke their promises towards her. The things they promised her, they are not keeping up to it. They want to abandon her all alone in this. She said it will never happen. That they are all going down. My lovely fans, what do you think about this? Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.